Namaste, Tatvam Asi. Journey to Inner Self. My Life, My Yoga. Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Happy 6th International Day of Yoga. I have completed Ashtanga Yoga course and Yoga Teacher Training course in Mysore. I have completed YIC and MSc in Esvyasa University, Bangalore. I have been teaching yoga for 11 years. I can teach Ashtanga Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Aerial Yoga, Music Yoga, Bal Yoga, Wheel Yoga, Iyengar Yoga, Vinyasa Yoga, Power Yoga, Core Yoga, and Balance Yoga. I have worked in Nisarga Yoga Kendra as a yoga teacher and also worked in Vietnam and China as a yoga therapist. I always thankful to my yoga teachers and gurus. Swami Vivekananda expanded the traditional Patanjali yoga system as one of the six systems of philosophy in India, Shat Darshanas, to a fourfold systems consisting of Gnana Yoga, path of intellect called Vedanta or as essence of Vedas, Raja Yoga, path of willpower, the traditional yoga system of Patanjali, Bhakti Yoga, path to gain mastery over emotions, Karma Yoga, path of action to convert all actions into yoga. From Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga, we have Yama, a set of don'ts, Niyama, a set of do's, asanas are the yogic postures, Pranayama is to gain mastery over mind through breath. Pratyahara is to gain mastery over the mind through our senses. Dharana is focusing of the mind. Dhyana, the defocusing or meditation. Samadhi is the super conscious state. Nauli is the advanced yoga technique. Shirshasana is the king of asanas. Thank you. My special thanks to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Dhanyavad.